Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to draw a caterpillar. For this I am using a water bottle cap. You can draw with this very easily. First you can draw head of the caterpillar. You can draw whole circle. Next you can draw remaining circles. Total 7 circles I am drawing. Four, 5, 6, last one is 7th one. Total 7 circles I drawn. You can draw eyes here. And you can draw smiling. Draw two slanting lines. To this you can draw circles, small circles. Okay. Next you can draw the legs. One is long, other one is short. You can draw. Like this you can draw legs to all the circles. You can draw oval shape. In the end you can draw one curve like this. Okay, this is our caterpillar drawing. It is very easy. You can use this one or you can use 1 rupee coin. Anything it may be. If you like the video, please like, subscribe on our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.